Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And especially from a trading perspective and a chart perspective, I suppose, because chart perspective, meaning if you're just somebody that cares about the overall chart, the overall, health of the price and all that, then, it's the price is now sitting at a very interesting area. And that area is down here. I shouldn't say yet, but it's approaching. It's very close to the $7.25 mark. And I first just, I don't want to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part or anything like that. Anybody that uses charts, anybody that understands charts has taken notice of this and is going to wonder the same thing. And I bring that up and, I try to, hopefully I'm doing a good job explaining that there's going to be a lot of eyeballs on this level, because when there's lots of eyeballs on a level, that does imply that pretty big price dynamics can occur. Some people say, well, that's just a self-fulfilling prophecy. Well, whatever you want to call it, the idea here is that what I'm talking about is not a great discovery on my part. It is something that many people are watching and many people are going to be wondering about. And that is just simply, how is the price going to react around 725? Why would they pick 725? Well, the last time the price was down around here, you can see a very, very nice bounce actually occurred. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish trading, I could say, was this easy. Just because the price did bounce last time does not mean that for sure it's going to bounce again. Now, is it at least logical? Is it at least a rational thought to throw out there that, hey, maybe there's going to be some sort of a stabilization and a bounce? Yeah, that's totally logical. That's totally rational. Is it guaranteed? No. Case in point, when the price was, falling and falling and falling. At no point to say, I wonder if it's going to bounce. I wonder if it's going to bounce. Why would you think that when all it was doing was falling and there wasn't any sort of other historical significance to suggest that maybe it could bounce? At this point, we do have that historical significance, as past history is showing us that the price has been able to bounce from that area before. And then just taking a step back and looking at this from just an overall chart health perspective, 725 is very, very important for no other reason other than if the price crashes through there, then that's putting the chart at lows, at basically new lows that haven't been seen for a very, very long time. So from a trading perspective, a potential bounce point here, and then just from an overall chart perspective, yeah, if 725 does not hold, then as you can see there, that's just once again new lows for GE, and the overall bearish downtrend continues. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.